dear students, I Abhinav Negi welcome you all in this faculty-driven platform that is Resultant. And guys, in Resultant YouTube channel, this is my first Sunday ka Funda video. Guys, what we usually study is in highway engineering, that if we talk about the drainage problem in highways, then the drainage problem in summit curve, like flyovers, is not that huge. But drainage problem in valley curves, that is sag curve, especially like underpass, the drainage problem is bit more. And we usually see that in underpasses, in valley curve, in sag curve, there is the water logging. But guys, let me tell you, like this long flyover, like summit curve, in summit curve also, the drainage is not as simple as it looks. So what are the provisions of drainage in summit curve? That I will be showing you in this Sunday ka Funda video. So stay tuned, guys. So guys, now we will do a case study of this very long flyover, that is summit curve, which is situated in Rohini in New Delhi. Guys, around the length of this huge flyover is 2 kilometers, that is 2000 meters. The width will be around 20 meters. So what will be the surface area, the catchment area of rain? It will be length, that is 2000 into width, that will be 20 meters. So 2000 into 20 will be 40,000 meter square area where the rain will be coming. Now let us say, guys, for a 2 hours or 3 hour rain come, and the cumulative depth of that rain is around 10 centimeter, that is 0.1 meter. So what will be the total volume, guys? Surface area was 40,000 meter square. Now the depth I am assuming to be 0.1 meter, so that will be having a volume of 4,000 meter cubes, guys, and that is a huge volume, guys. Now to drain off this volume, what we provide as a transportation engineer, there are certain ducts, there are certain pipes which will be catching the area and catching the water and draining that water into the desired areas. Such as, guys, you can see this pipe. Okay, so this pipe will be carrying the water. And guys, there you can see that from those pipes, guys, the water will be collected from the slab, and that water will be coming in either ways, and finally this water will be coming in these kind of pipes, guys. And inside, guys, we can plant trees, flowers, so that it will be taking care of those plants as well. So guys, in huge flyover where lot of volume is expected, these kind of drainage are provided after every 30 or 40 meter interval, so that in case of huge rain, especially in monsoon season, the road doesn't block. If you like this video, guys, please like and share. And one very important, what are the other Sunday ka Funda videos you want in this section? Please comment me on the comment section. In upcoming Sundays, guys, our Resultant team will be coming with such videos. Thank you. Take care.